Okay, good morning students. So the next topic in our semester is halogen compounds. So this is the first chapter in unit 3. So what are the subtopics of halogen compounds? For first point is introduction. And next one is classification. Classification of halogen compounds. So next one is important point in halogen compounds is aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reactions. Again, these substitution reactions are classified into two types. They are SN1 and SN2 reactions. So in SN1 and SN2 reactions, we discussed about the reaction mechanism, energy profile diagram, and last one is stereochemistry. So these are the points which are discussed in SN1 and SN2 reactions. So next topic in halogen compounds is neighboring group participation. And next topic is SNI reactions. So neighboring group participation and SNI reactions. So next one is reactivity. Reactivity of halogen compounds. So the last topic in halogen compounds is factors influencing rates of substitution reactions. So these are the subtopics of halogen compounds. So what are introduction, classification and aliphatic nucleophilic substitution reactions, which are again classified into SN1 and SN2 reactions. So mainly in SN1 and SN2 reactions, we discussed about reaction mechanism, energy profile diagram and stereochemistry of SN1 and SN2 reactions. So the next topic in halogen compounds is neighboring group participation. So then SNI reactions, reactivity of halogen compounds and factors influencing halogen compounds or nucleophilic substitution reactions. So in first point, what is the introduction? So in introduction, halogen compounds are obtained by the replacement of hydrogens from hydrocarbons by halogens, which are halogen compounds are obtained by the replacement of hydrogens from hydrocarbons by halogen atoms. Which are chlorine, fluorine, bromine. So what are hydrocarbons? So hydrocarbons are the chemical compounds containing carbons and hydrogen elements. So in the hydrocarbons, the replacement of that hydrogens by the halogens formed our halogen compounds. So next one is halogen compounds are highly reactive. Halogen compounds are highly reactive and important starting materials for many synthetic compounds. And halogen compounds are prepared synthetically. Again, halogen compounds are used as solvents, refrigerants and fungicides, and they are also used in medicine also. So they are used as solvents, refrigerants, fungicides and they are also used in medicine. So these are the introduction points of halogen compounds. So then what are the examples for halogen compounds? So here we take some examples for halogen compounds. Halogen compounds are obtained by the replacement of hydrogens from hydrocarbons by our halogens. So here we take some examples like so this is called as chloromethane. Means in methane one hydrogen is replaced by our halogen which is chlorine called as chloromethane. And next example is dichloromethane. Here the two hydrogens are replaced by the halogens called as dichloromethane. And next example is trichloromethane. Means here the three hydrogens are replaced by the three halogens. So this is also called as a chloroform. So chloroform is mainly used in our medicinal properties. And next example is tetrachloromethane. So here in methane the four hydrogens are replaced by halogen atoms giving tetrachloromethane. So these are the examples of halogen compounds. So the next one is classification. So how the halogen compounds are classified. So here the classification of halogen compounds. So halogen compounds are classified into two types. They are aliphatic halogen compounds and aromatic halogen compounds. So why halogen compounds are classified, and depending upon what point halogen compounds are classified. So the replacement of hydrogens by the halogens. So like the replacement takes place in aliphatic compounds, then they are called as aliphatic halogen compounds. And if the replacement is taken from aromatic compounds, then they are called as aromatic halogen compounds. So particularly we discussed about aliphatic halogen compounds. So in the classification, first point is aliphatic halogen compounds. So aliphatic halogen compounds, these are the derivatives of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Aliphatic halogen compounds are the derivatives of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Again, so aliphatic halogen compounds, alkyl halides, water, alkyl halides. So alkyl halides are the derivatives of alkanes. So here they are classified into primary halides, secondary halides and tertiary halides. So depending upon the attachment or the replacement of hydrogen by the halogen. So if the halogen is attached to the carbon which is a primary carbon, then it is called as primary halide. or if it is attached to the carbon which is a secondary, then it is called as secondary halide. So according to attachment of carbon. So alkyl halides are divided into primary, secondary and tertiary halides. So the examples for primary halides are this is called as a primary halide. This one is called as a secondary halide. And third one is tertiary halides, in which the halide is attached to the tertiary carbon. So these are the alkyl halides. So next one is alkynes, aliphatic halogen compounds from alkenes. So the general formula for alkenes forming halogen compounds is CnH2n-1X. So general formula for alkenes is CnH2n. So but in halogen compounds the hydrogen is replaced by the halogen. So giving the general formula of alkenes is CnH2n-1X. So the examples for alkenes which are forming halogen compounds are CH2 double bond CHX and CH2 So this is called as vinyl halogen or vinyl halide, and this is called as allyl halide. So what are vinyl halides and allyl halides? So in alkenes the halogen is attached to the double bonded carbon. Here the halogen is attached to the double bonded carbon. Then that type of halides are called as vinyl halides. So next one is allyl halides. So allyl halides are the halogens that are attached to the carbon which is adjacent to the double bonded carbon. So these are allyl halides. So these are aliphatic halogen compounds. So next one is aromatic halogen compounds. What are aromatic halogen compounds? So here in aromatic halogen compounds also, so the replacement of hydrogens from the aromatic hydrocarbons by the halogens are called as aromatic halogen compounds. Again aromatic halogen compounds are divided into aryl halides and aryl alkyl halides. So what are aryl halides? What are aryl halides? Aryl halides are the derivatives of aromatic compounds, and here the replacement of hydrogens, one or more hydrogens from the aromatic hydrocarbons. So examples for aryl halides are chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Here the halogens are directly attached to the aromatic ring, which is given chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. These are called as aryl halides. So next one is aryl alkyl halides. Aryl alkyl halides. So in these, the halides are attached to the carbon, which is directly attached to the aromatic ring. So example for aryl alkyl halide is here the halide is attached to the alkyl, which is directly attached to the aromatic ring. So this is the classification of halogen compounds.